Yeah, hey Matt. Just thought I'd send this video, mate, which is probably just a little bit easier to explain. So I've sent you a PDF, but basically this is the floor plan, um, and what we've got is what the client's wanting is this whole area, the living, kitchen, and dining. They're wanting to basically use scissor trusses to create the slope ceiling. Whatever the roof's doing, they're quite keen for the ceiling to follow that. But my only thing would be so basically all this area would be sloped, and then the rest of the house would all just be flat trusses at 2.4, and this area would be sloped. So they're trying to create a sort of rafted roof effect, but with scissor trusses, because with the rafter we'd have to have a ridge going down there, and that's massive, and we want to stay away from engineering. The other issue is there's a slider in here and a slider in there, so this is a cantilevered lintel in both directions, so not entirely sure how that would work with scissor trusses. So if I just go to the roof plan, I will show you what I'm talking about. So that's basically the roof structure there. So this is the corner where the cantilevered lintel is, and that's what the roof's doing. So basically, yeah, it's basically running through. There's a gable, then there's a valley running through there, picking up the ridge. So all this area here would be would be sloping, the rest would be a flat truss roof. At the moment I've got this 15 degrees, but they are more than happy to go steeper to accommodate if we need to because of the scissor trusses. So yeah, just wanting to know if that would work in a nutshell, mate, without any engineering. Really, yeah, pretty super stoked if we could. Let me know what your thoughts are. Cheers, Matt.